I finally had the chance to visit Cafe Sabarsky, located inside the new gallery on the Upper East Side, just steps away from Central Park. This charming cafe had been on my list for quite some time, and I was very excited to finally experience it. Inspired by traditional Viennese coffee houses, Cafe Sabarsky beautifully captures the essence of Austria's cafe culture. I'm planning a trip to Vienna next year, and a friend of mine who has been adores Viennese desserts and recommended I try the Sacher Torte, a decadent chocolate cake and an iconic Austrian specialty. And I was so happy to see it on their menu. We began our meal with a delightful glass of white wine and champagne, setting the perfect tone for the afternoon. We had only planned to enjoy desserts and coffee, but we couldn't resist the temptation to try the schnitzel. It was served with a potato salad that stood out for its lightness and vibrant flavors. It tasted like it had dill, cucumbers, and maybe a hint of Dijon mustard, making it far more refreshing than the heavier American-style potato salad. Our meal included a complimentary side of pumpernickel bread and butter, which was delicious. The bread had a subtle sweetness paired with rich, earthy undertones. For dessert, we indulged in the Sacher Torte and the apple strudel. The Sacher Torte was a delicious chocolate sponge cake, topped with a smooth chocolate ganache. It wasn't as rich as I expected, but I'll have to try the ones in Vienna and let you know how those compare. The star of the day was the apple strudel. I'm proud to say I've had many in my life, and this was by far the best. The pastry was impossibly thin and flaky, while the filling was perfectly balanced, not overly sweet or chunky. The addition of raisins added a delightful touch, and the side of whipped cream made every bite pure perfection. I also had this amazing double espresso topped with whipped cream. It was so good. My meal here was incredibly satisfying, and I'm already planning my next visit. Hopefully next time I'll have the chance to explore the magnificent museum showcasing Viennese and German art.
start walking.